All right, so our next task is to work with rectangles, draw some rectangles. And of course, we have different ways to do that. The instructions for the first one are draw a rectangle that is 4 inches wide by 6 inches tall using lines. So, easy peasy, right? We've got our polar turned on. We're going to go 4 inches to the right with direct distance entry. We're going to go 6 inches tall with the same operation. 4 inches to the left, 6 inches down. Congratulations, you've made a rectangle. That was fast and that was easy, right? Now, can we do the same thing with polylines? Well, yeah, we could start with the polyline tool. We can click and point to the right, 4 inches to the right, 6 inches up, 4 inches to the left, 6 inches down. Okay, and there is our rectangle drawn with polylines. Now, there's nothing wrong with drawing rectangles like that, but there is a tool, a dedicated tool in AutoCAD for drawing rectangles. And do you see where it is? It's at the end of the draw panel, and it's up on the top right corner, and it's called rectangle. So rectangle is going to want a couple of things. It's going to want 2 clicks. Click for the first corner, click for the opposite corner. Let's try it out and see how it works. I'm going to click on rectangle, and I'm going to click for my first corner, and then I'll move it wherever I want to, and then click for my second corner. All right, my first click was here, my second click was down here, and that's the rectangle it constructs. So, the rectangle tool is actually less work than drawing 4 line segments. And the idea is it's faster. And the reality is, the faster you go, well, the quicker you get done. And if you worked for me, of course, I'd want you to go fast, because that means you'd get more work done during the day. Now, obviously, you don't work for me. So, what's the point? Why go fast? What's the big rush? Well, there's really no big rush, but I am concerned about your social life. So here's how I look at it. If I show you how to do things that are time savers for you, well, then you have more free time. And wouldn't you like to have more free time? Right when it's time to do the homework for this class, would you like to spend 30 minutes doing the homework? Would you like to spend 2 hours and 30 minutes doing the homework? So it's totally up to you. You can draw things with lines, or you can do things the slow way, or if you want to apply yourself a little bit, we learn a couple of tricks, and then these tricks speed us up so that we're able to use the software more efficiently and quickly, and then we've got more time for ourselves. And that's where I'd like to get you at. So we see how the rectangle tool works, but how do we make a rectangle that is a specific size? So the answer to that is coordinates. Yeah, you remember coordinates? I know you didn't like them too much when we were doing them, but watch this. I want to make a rectangle that's 10 inches wide by 8 inches tall using the rectangle command. So I'll give it a click here, and I'll point up to the right. And now I want to tell AutoCAD, hey, go 10 inches to the right and 8 inches up. Do you remember how to do that? So if you're thinking relative coordinates, you know what? You're thinking exactly correctly. So I'm going to type in at 10, 8. And I'm telling AutoCAD, hey, go 10 inches in X and 8 inches in Y. When I hit enter, there we go. There is our 10 by 8 rectangle. Okay, so coordinates are not totally useless. I know you're probably thinking after we started drawing quickly here that, man, there's no point. What's the point of learning coordinates? Well, the point is they allow you to do cool things that you might not otherwise be able to do if you didn't know about them. All right, so that is the rectangle command.